Scotty, what we're going to do is we're going to take all this stuff out. All these steps are coming out. And then we're going to put the granite full steps in, 7-footers. All right, so we're going to have to take all this out. We're going to put back some in-house stone. This landing area, homeowner wants to save these plants. Okay. So we're going to take these out and put them here for her. She wants to put them back somewhere else in the yard. And then we're going to have the same look, 3 steps up, 2 steps up. Except this is going to be a paver landing here. And this here is going to be all landings. Oh, what pavers? Take this out here. We're going to take this concrete out. This step stays here. We're going to take this out and we're going to put a piece of granite here. And then the side's going to be the veneer. The stuff that Lynn was doing. Okay. This is all.